Good day, everyone. Learn how to recover files from recycle bin. So if you have accidentally deleted something and you want to recover and restore the files from recycle bin in Windows 11, I'll tell you the best and easiest method. So let's say this is the file which I accidentally deleted, and now I want to restore and recover this file from the recycle bin. And you don't have the recycle bin in your desktop, you do not see it, then I would recommend to click on the search and type recycle. So you will find the best match recycle bin, and we will click on that. And here you will find the date created and date modified. So when you have edited and date deleted, so you can see the date right there, and you can see the location. So I had a deleted letter and picture. Now I want to restore it to the original location. So I'll just do a right click and I'll click on restore. I'll do a right click, I'll click on restore, and I'll close this window, and hooray, we have successfully recovered and restored the file from recycle bin to your original location in Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe and leave a comment. I'll be glad if you do so. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care.